In order to create a purse, go to the dashboard and find the three bars in the upper left. Go to Funds Management and click on Distribution Management. Here is your purse management dashboard. To create a new purse, click on Add Purse. Create the purse name. You can enter an accounting code and another reference. You can create two types of purses, one that is not shared and one that is shared. A not shared purse is a purse that allows you to distribute money to individual users, and those users will have access only to that specific dollar amount that you distribute. A shared purse allows you to create one purse and have multiple users have access to that same purse amount of money. If you want to create a not shared purse, simply click Save. If you like to create a shared purse, the dashboard will prompt you to enter additional information, such as how much money you would like to put in the purse and what users you would like to have access to that purse of money. For the not shared purse to distribute those funds, you would come back to the dashboard, find the three bars, go to Funds Management, and click Distribute Funds. Here, you'll be able to identify the users that you want to distribute the money to. You search for the purse, and then enter the amount from that purse that you would like to distribute to each individual user. That user will have access to only that amount of money that you have put into their wallet. To add funds and users to a shared purse, go back to Distribution Management. Find the purse. On the left side menu, you will see tools that allow you to add and remove funds and add and remove users. To configure a purse, as to what features on the ClassWallet platform the funds are allowed to be used, whether it's shared or not shared, go to the Purse Management dashboard. Click on Other, and here are all the tools that you have to put restrictions and configurations on how those purse funds can be used on the ClassWallet platform.